again. So I'm going to show you another version of the what's in the bag activity, which I talked about in the video before this. This time it's looking at kind of categories that you can use for different types of vocabulary that are all kind of linked together. So you could do things like animals or clothes or transport or kind of whatever things you've got around in your house. So today I'm going to do food because it's quite easy to go and get things from around my kitchen. So I've got my bag again. You can use the same song as before if you want to, or you can choose a different one. So I'll show you the other one today. So we're going to do what's in the bag, what's in the bag? Let's have a look at what's in the bag. And the same thing, you need to try and say the words lots and lots of times. What's in my bag? Have a look. Oh, what's that? I've got a pepper. A red pepper. Oh, nice. So you could do things like cut it up and eat it, or feed it to different toys. So I've got one over here. I've got my cat. Oh, nice. Eating the pepper. The pepper. Oh, that's a nice pepper for the cat. Nice. Put it over here. Oh, cat's hungry. She wants some more. Okay, cat. Let's have a look. What's in my bag? Oh, I've got some eggs. Open them up. Eggs. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eggs. Oh, there's one egg that's gone. I ate that one for my breakfast in the morning. Oh, I've got 5 eggs. Cat's gonna have an egg. Yeah, have this egg. Oh, she's got the egg. Eating the egg. Oh, nice. Let's have a look at the next one, cat. Oh, what would you like next? Oh, noisy. What's that? We've got some pasta. Oh, nice. Here it is. Got some pasta. Oh, for the cat. Nice. She likes pasta. Oh, pasta. Put it over here. Oh, what's next in my bag, cat? Oh. Wow, that's a long cucumber. Got a cucumber. It's green cucumber. Eating the cucumber. Nice. Oh, I think there's one more for the cat. What's it gonna be? Oh. Wow, I've got some sweets. Oh, yellow sweets. They're in here. Oh, gonna eat them, cat. Should we open the sweet? Nice sweet. There it is. Nice sweet. Let's have a look. Oh, it's all gone. There's nothing left, cat. Nothing left. So bag has finished. And it works like that. So hopefully that's something else you can try at home. Again, just pick a category of words that you can use and just have a play and explore and practice trying to say the words lots and lots. Hope it's useful. Thanks. Bye.